Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this absolutely delightful Mark II Austin Healey Sprite, finished in this stunning shade of yellow. Car is a restoration project that we've undertaken. It's been a full bare metal rebuild and repaint. Car, as you can see, is not that far away from being completed. Bodywork is all sound, solid and stunning. Being an early car, it's on these attractive perforated steel wheels. Virtually everything is either new or reconditioned. You can see the quality of the workmanship is extremely high. A new wiring loom has gone in. Rebuilt carburetors. We'll have an all new interior, so new carpets. Retains its original steering wheel, which is quite hard to come by these days. Various photographs have been taken throughout the rebuild, so if you're interested, more than happy to share. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. And thanks for watching.